welcome to News and Flash column of 11 June 2021. It is presented to you by Law Sikho. I am Ankita Parida. Now let's proceed with this session. Justice Sanjay Yadav appointed as Chief Justice of Allahabad High Court. The President of India, in exercise with the power conferred by Article 217 of Constitution of India, appointed Justice Sanjay Yadav as Chief Justice of Allahabad High Court. So how a judge or a Chief Justice of High Court is appointed? Let's know about it. The judges of High Court are appointed by the President. The Chief Justice is appointed by the President after consultation with the Chief Justice of India and the Governor of the state concerned. For appointment of other judges, the Chief Justice of the concerned High Court is also consulted. Also, please note that the second judge's case is very relevant in this case, and according to the second judge's case, no appointment of High Court judges shall be done without taking conformity or opinion of the Chief Justice of India. Coming back, Justice Yadav has been serving as the acting Chief Justice of Allahabad High Court since April 14th after former Chief Justice Govind Mathur demitted office. Anti-graft group formed political party in Nagaland. The anti-graft group against corporation and unabated taxation ACUT was formed in 2013 to protest multiple taxation by extremist groups. So ACUT was a part of NSCN, and NSCN is a accorded terrorist organization as per the government of India, and ACUT previously was a part of NSCN, and now it has come to mainstream and formed a political party known as the Rising People's Party RPP, and it has registered with the Election Commission of India on June 7, 2021. One of the objectives of RPP is to ensure that women get into the assembly. Now let's know a little bit about NSCN. The Nationalist Social Council of Nagaland, or NSCN, is a Naga nationalist organization. Also, it is a separatist organization with an objective of having a free Naga society away from India. Moving ahead, first edition of Arab India Energy Forum. So the first edition of two-day Arab India Energy Forum was conducted on June 9, 2021. A range of issues on boosting two-way energy cooperation and inter-regional power trading dominated the forum. The event was held virtually under the co-chairmanship of the Kingdom of Morocco and India, and the session explored the potential and challenges of cooperation in the field of inter-regional power trading, energy transition, nuclear power generation, and hydrocarbons. CHEEM telescope detects more than 500 mysterious fast radio bursts. CHEEM, or the Canadian Hydrogen Intensity Mapping Experiment, is an interferometric radio telescope at Dominion Radio Astrophysical Observatory in British Columbia. What is radio informetry? Radio informetry is an advanced technique developed by professional radio astronomers that allows to use many smaller antennas instead of two large ones. Please note that CHEEM, in partnership between University of British Columbia, McGill University, University of Toronto, and Canadian National Research Council Dominion Radio Astrophysical Observatory has made this project possible. Moving ahead, demise of Buddhadev Dasgupta. Bengali filmmaker Buddhadev Dasgupta has died in Kolkata. Buddhadev Dasgupta has won the National Film Award for Best Feature Film for a total of 5 times. Some of his best works are Bagh Bahadur, Lal Darja, Kalapurs, among others. So this was all for today. Thank you.